Welcome to e-hallpass. We're currently logged in as a student, and in this short video we're going to look at Proxy Pass. Proxy Pass is used when a student has forgotten their device at home, or maybe the battery has died, or the students have used up all their passes for the day when they've been set to a pass limit. This student had 2 passes per day and they've used up all their passes and they need to see the nurse. So the teacher is going to go ahead and create a pass for the student to go see the nurse, and they're going to hit submit. When they do that, you can see on the student's device, it will appear to go to pass. We're going to click on that go to pass. And in this case, we have a green activated pass. Sometimes your teacher will set it up for awaiting approval, and you'll have a red pass where the teacher will have to either approve it from their dashboard or pin you out. From here, it's just like any other pass. You're going to go to the nurse. Once you arrive at the nurse's office, they'll go ahead and either approve you arriving at their office from their device or pin you in from your device. I'm just going to pin you in from your device and end and keep. This video is just a short video of how Proxy Pass works. And remember, Proxy Pass is a pass that a teacher makes when they want to send you out of the classroom and you might not have your device or you've run out of passes for the day. We hope you found this training video valuable. If you should have any questions about using e-hallpass, please follow your school's process for submitting system questions. Thank you.